Nissan Titan tailgate handle replacement and how to open your tailgate if handle is broken off. Okay, this is my project. The truck came without tailgate handle. It came with a truck. Guys, if you first time to the channel, please subscribe. We appreciate that. Handle is broken off completely, and yeah, not a big of a deal. And as you can see, I have already replacement part, Doraman, 3 times cheaper than OEM one. I don't know how long it will last, but I like the price. And I'm going to show you how to open a tailgate. If handle is broken, you can do it from inside or outside. You just push that leverage down and tailgate is open. Okay, we need a 10 mil. We have a Phillips. We need a 2-sided Gorilla Tape, scissors, pliers, and a putty knife or plastic pry bar to remove the logo. And yeah, okay, let's remove those 8 Phillips screws around that plastic cover of the tailgate. On my truck it came with it. Truck is really rough around the edges. Okay, let's remove those clips. Just pull in those pins and that clip will come out, and we have one on each side of the tailgate, or another side as well. All right, and now we can remove the plastic top. A few great videos how to do the handle on YouTube, but I would like to cover some more details. Now we have access to our lock mechanism from inside. Let's wipe all that dust, and as you can see, it's pretty simple, pretty much straightforward. 2 10mm nuts to remove. And also, if you looked on a handle assembly, you have those plastic tabs. Mine completely broke off. As you can see on the new one, you have to squeeze those tabs and push it down after you remove those 2 nuts. Pretty simple. And yeah, let's go and remove those nuts. And yeah, I'm using power tools. That makes everything easy. Okay, let's remove those 2 nuts. Guys, if you have any questions, put them down in the comment section below. All right, those 2 nuts removed, and now that part of the lock will come out. All right, as you can see, it's out. That's what was left on a tailgate. And yeah, now we need to transfer our lock, cylinder lock, or the key. Pretty simple. 10mm bolt. Remove that guy and pull it out. Yeah, it's pretty dirty, and before I will go and install it, I will clean it and give it some lube. Okay, clean it, lubricate it. Let's transfer that lock to the new handle assembly. I put a little bit anti-seized compound on a bolt, and let's tie that bolt down. And yeah, you just do one small step at a time and make sure everything's clean, everything's nice, and yeah, never rush the things. Okay, as you can see, it's working, all good to go back. And the rain started halfway through. We got a rain, but rain stopped pretty fast. And yeah, luckily I have a canopy and I just put everything under the roof. All right. Now we have to, as you can see, put that Gorilla Tape on new replacement handle assembly. We don't have that tape, and we'll put that tape, and Gorilla is pretty strong. Alright, I have a tape applied to the handle assembly. Now we just have to align those 2 pins and push it up. Yeah. Okay, let's do it right now. Okay, align those holes for those 2 pins, and yeah, as you can see, it's pretty much straightforward, and that lock will get engaged with the proper groove. All right, tie those nuts like that, and now we have to just push it up and lock those tabs in place, and it won't go anywhere. And we have that Gorilla Tape to seal it up to the tailgate. All right, and let's go and check if it's all locked. Here we go, and same on another side. Just check it out, make sure it's locked in place. I also will give some lubricant, just put some sewing machine oil on a lock mechanism or whatever lubricant you have handy, and make sure everything's lubricated and clean. Alright, let's check how it works. Close the tailgate and let's open it up with the handle, but I have to put that logo emblem, and as you can see it's opening and closing. Now check the key if we can lock the tailgate. See, tailgate is locked now, and let's turn the key clockwise and the tailgate is open again. There we go, we got it, guys. Now I will just go and put that logo back. It was broken, and as soon as you checked everything, put all those panels and covers back, and see those pins on an emblem, they broke. I will just use a crazy glue, or you can use any adhesive like construction one, and it will stay. Thank you again, guys, for watching. I have another video how to do that third canopy brake light. If you want to watch, check it out. And yeah, this one. See you soon, and bye bye.